Are you keto dieting without a solid diet plan? Are you out of meal options or don't know what to eat anymore? Don't have enough time to figure your keto meal plan or not finding your keto meals interesting enough? I know the feeling exactly. Hi, I'm Coach Keto, and I help people struggling with weight issues and searching for a better way of life. So you've heard the benefits, weighed the challenges, and jumped right into it, but now you're lost, almost on the verge of giving up. But don't, not yet. You're stronger than this. You have what it takes, and you're almost there. All you need is a diet plan. Yes, a Ketosis diet meal plan. A diet plan to guide you through your keto meals, to help you remain in the state of ketosis. To tell you what to eat exactly for breakfast, lunch, and dinner while on a keto diet. And let me share how easy this can be. Here's a sample ketosis diet meal plan for a week. On day 1, your breakfast can be smoked salmon served with leafy greens and smashed avocado. And for lunch, a low-carb Thai beef salad served with tamari dressing. And for dinner, a butter chicken with cauliflower rice. Not bad for day 1, is it? For day 2, you can drink some mountain coffee for breakfast, which is long black grass-fed butter and MCT oil. And for lunch, a naked burger with raw kale slaw. And for dinner, a slow-cooked pulled beef with rainbow slaw and baked Brussels sprouts. Yum yum, I love it. And on day 3 for breakfast, poached eggs and sauteed greens cooked in coconut oil. And for lunch, a grilled chicken served with a seasonal salad. And for dinner, a baked salmon with a nut crust served with baked cauliflower. On day 4 for breakfast, an omelet served with mushrooms and spinach cooked in coconut oil. And for lunch, a line-caught tuna served with heirloom tomato salad drizzled with olive oil. And for dinner, a crispy skinned salmon served with zucchini noodle pesto. And on day 5 for breakfast, a veggie medley with capsicum, zucchini, tomato, seasonal herbs sauteed in coconut oil, and served with eggs. For lunch, zucchini noodles with salmon salad served with avocado dressing. And for dinner, lamb kofta with seasonal greens. And on day 6 for breakfast, zucchini and bacon fritters cooked with butter. And for lunch, Mexican chicken lettuce wrap with avocado. And for dinner, Middle Eastern chicken rissoles with seasonal greens. And on day 7 for breakfast, buttered mushrooms, sauteed greens, and crispy bacon. For lunch, roasted chicken breast served with avocado and seasonal greens. And for dinner, grass-fed sirloin steak with steamed greens. Wow, wasn't that a delicious menu? And how about more? And more, and more. And for weeks 2, 3, 4, and 5. But then you'll probably get bored of what I have to offer. How about I help you create your own ketosis diet meal plan on your own, as per your taste and preferences. Does that sound interesting? Let's give it a try and see what you think. Now here's a list of staples you can build your ketogenic diet plan around. Fatty nuts and seeds, like cashews, macadamia nuts, pumpkin seeds. Avocado, whole eggs, full fat cheese. Beef can include ground chuck, filet mignon, porterhouse, and ribeye. Chicken, such as thighs and legs. Vegetables like spinach and other greens like broccoli, asparagus, cabbage, mushrooms, and bell pepper. Pork rinds, olive oil, salted butter, heavy cream, sour cream, cream cheese, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and anchovies, bacon, chicken broth, or bouillon cubes with at least 1 gram of sodium. Are you surprised about that 1 gram of sodium? It turns out when you cut carbs from your diet, you also deplete your body of glycogen, losing water in your body. And for every gram of glycogen you lose 3 grams of water. So it's why you need sodium to retain water in your body. Now, coming back to our self-made personal keto diet meal plan, to make a meal out of your staples, you just need to understand the macros first. Now, getting your macros, and that is macronutrients, correct, is the most important aspect of starting down the path of a ketogenic diet. So what are macros? Well, macros are carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. And as you know, for a keto meal, you want to up your fats, lower your protein, and go really low on carbs. Now, to be precise, fats should be 70 to 75% of your total meal. Proteins should be 15 to 20%, and carbohydrates just 5 to 10%. But how do you get your macros right? It's best to play it safe. When getting started, keep your carbs less than 50 grams a day. And with protein, make 20% your upper limit, as eating too high protein could end up having the same effect as eating too many carbs. So set it between 0.6 and 1 grams per pound of lean mass. Now, lean mass is body weight minus fat percentage of body weight. For example, if you're 180 pounds with 15% body fat, then the lean mass of your body is 180 minus 0.15 times 180, and that equals 153 pounds lean mass. Therefore, you should be eating 0.6 to 1 gram into 153 pounds. That's about 92 to 150 grams of protein per day. Now, if you're unsure of your fat percentage of your body, then you should get tested to find out. Now, coming to my favorite macro, fat. Isn't it a dream, living the fat life while dieting? Now that you have your carbs and proteins sorted, just fill the rest of your daily calorie needs with fat sources. 9 to 10 calories equals 1 gram of fat. But if you're going high on fats, go for rich sources like butter, nuts, coconut, and olive oils, and fatty cuts of meat. And be sure not to go overboard with fats like soybean, corn, or sunflower oil, because increasing your consumption of these fats often develops gastrointestinal distress. And sadly, people who experience this often give up on keto. So get your fats right, and you should be able to avoid this problem. Now, what does it take to make a keto diet plan? All it takes is some keto-friendly ingredients, knowledge about macros, and determination to plan your keto meals, and you can become your own keto coach. And to help you with this transformation, I've put together a special ketogenic diet bundle for you. In this bundle, you'll find everything you need, and the best part is that it's absolutely free, but only for a limited time, so you want to act now. Now, the bundle includes the complete guide to the ketogenic diet, 23 frequently asked questions about the low-carb lifestyle, 33 tips to go low-carb when you're eating out, and cyclical and targeted keto diets for athletes. Now, this special bundle normally runs $97, but if you act now, you can get it 100% free by going to www.coachketo.net/bundle. Again, the URL is www.coachketo.net/bundle. Or you can click the link below in the description box underneath this video. So if you need more help with your meal planning, you'll find this free keto diet bundle to be perfect timing for you. In fact, if you take action right now, I'll include 2 special bonuses that include a cheat sheet and shopping list to make your keto journey even more easy. So go ahead and take advantage of this free bundle today. Either go to www.coachketo.net/bundle or click the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to hearing about your success as you change your body and change your life.